Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out with how you can hide all your posts on Facebook. And for this, go to right in the bottom to your menu. From here, tap on Settings and Privacy and then tap on Settings. And from there, scroll down to Activity Log. Tap on Activity Log and from there, tap on Public Posts. So now you will see all your public posts just right here, and we want to hide them but not delete them. Alright, if we tap on all, we can tap from here on Archive, and if we do move to Archive, then we move everything to Archive and our posts are hiding on our profile. I don't want this for all my posts, but if you want that, make sure that you select all. But from now, I will select one post. And now if I tap on Archive and then tap on Move to Archive, this post got deleted from my account. And now if I tap on Archive, you will see all the posts that nobody can see and is just hiding from my account. Alright, this is how it works, and if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.